Welcome. If you've pinned a chat by accident or simply want to clean up your Telegram chat list, today I'll show you exactly how to unpin a conversation in just a few seconds. This guide is quick, simple, and updated for the latest version of Telegram, so you can follow along confidently. Let's get started. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop. You'll land on your main chat screen, where all your recent conversations appear. Pin chats always stay locked at the top, which makes them easy to spot. Now find the chat you want to unpin. It could be a personal conversation, a group, or a channel you pinned earlier. It's usually marked with a small pin icon next to the chat name. Next, tap and hold on that chat. If you're on desktop, just right-click instead. After holding it for a moment, you'll see a menu or toolbar appear with several options. Look for the three dots at the top of the screen. These usually open the Chat Options menu. Tap on those dots to reveal more settings. From there, simply select Unpin. Once you tap it, the chat will immediately move back to its normal position in your chat list. You'll notice that the little pin icon disappears, meaning it's no longer locked at the top. And that's it. You've successfully unpinned a chat on Telegram. It's quick, it's easy, and it helps keep your messages neatly organized. If you ever change your mind, you can repin the chat again at any time by following the same steps and choosing Pin to Top. Remember, unpinning a chat doesn't delete it or remove any messages, it just changes its position in your list. You'll still have full access to everything in that conversation whenever you need it. So now you know how to unpin any chat on Telegram with just a few taps. Keep your chat list clean, organized, and exactly the way you like it.